Here I've got Qilive 5039D, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone. To do it, just tap on power key, hold it for a while, and then select power off. Configure that you would like to shut down your device by tapping on OK. Wait until your device is off, and once it is, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together until you see your logo. Here it is, so now we can leave the keys. And now we are in Android recovery mode. At first you have to select the language, so in my case it will be English. To select some particular option, tap on power key, and if you would like to switch it, use volume up and down keys. So let me pick English. And as you can see, in Android recovery mode you can also use volume up and down keys for selection, and then to confirm some particular option, just tap on power key. So all we have to do is to find wipe cache partition feature, so let me scroll down. Here it is, just tap on power key to do it, and then select yes to wipe cache partition. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, cache wipe complete, so we can reboot system now. Smoothly tap on power key to reboot system now, and wait until you are back in the normal mode with all features active. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode and you can use your device with all apps active. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can perform a cache removal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.